Good morning, everybody. We got our chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Getting your nice little feathers in. Yes. Getting the food everywhere. Here, chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Getting your food. And then we add some grit, because y'all like your grit. Chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. The little black one we call the dark one. That was a surprise. Chick, 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 chick. My little chickadees. Chick, 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 chick. Got 15 in total. We had 16, we lost one. And he was itty bitty. It was less than a week old. These are 4 weeks old and thriving. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, tick, 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 tick. And then we have a very curious dog. Say hi, Faith. Hi, Faith. Yes. It's a little bit messy in here. Gotta make room for the chicks. Chick, 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 chick. Yeah. Give them their worms every day. Bribes. Aw, I scared you. I'm sorry. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. Yeah. Try not to hold them too much. They don't particularly like it, but as they keep getting older, they like being held more. So, they're just some nervous chickens. They love to play. You hear them all day long. Every now and then they get out, but for the most part, they stay in here. They're pretty happy. As you can see, they love the perch. You keep adding new ones.